Apart from the string class, string buffer class is also an important class of the string API in Java. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Web, string API in Java. In this video, I will introduce you with the string buffer class which is present in the package java.lang. We already have seen this slide in the previous video of this session and we know that apart from the string class, there are two more important classes in the string API in Java. One is the string buffer class and other one is the string builder class. In this video, I will introduce you with the string buffer class in Java, which implements the interface char sequence and extends the class abstract string builder. Java.lang.StringBuffer class is similar to Java.lang.String class, but string buffer object cannot be created in SCP. We know that for a string literal, an object of type string always gets created in the SCP, but an object of type string buffer cannot be created in SCP. Separate objects are created in the heap even if they have duplicate content. The most important thing with the string buffer class is the objects of the string buffer can be changed and they are mutable. The string buffer class always preferred over java.lang.string if content changes frequently. Here we have the java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a reference variable of type string buffer and we are trying to store the reference of a string literal into reference variable of type string buffer. We cannot store the reference of a string literal in the reference variable of type string buffer because we know that whenever we use a string literal in a program, a string object gets created in the SCP and reference to that object we are trying to store in a reference variable of type string buffer and that is not allowed. We cannot store a reference to a string object into reference variable of type string buffer. So in this case, if we try to compile the java file first.java, the JavaC will throw an error. Incompatible types, string cannot be converted to string buffer. We cannot typecast the string literal into a reference of type string buffer. That we cannot do. Again the JavaC will throw an error. Incompatible types, string cannot be converted to string buffer. We cannot typecast a string literal into a string buffer. These two cases are wrong. You cannot use them. Here in this case, we are creating a new string buffer object which contains the string literal hello. A new string buffer will be created in the heap and reference to that newly created string buffer will be stored into the reference variable sp of type string buffer. Since here we are also using a string literal hello, so a new string object which contains hello will be created in the SCP. After that, when we try to print the reference variable sp, it will print the string hello. So this program creates a string buffer object in the heap referenced by the reference variable sp. It should be sp, not sp. Since content of a string buffer object is variable in nature, it's not like a string. So it need to define length and capacity both for it. Length is the same as we used in the string class. Length means number of characters present in the string. And capacity is total container size of a string buffer object. That means here is the case. The total number of locations in the string buffer object is capacity of the string buffer object. And number of characters present in the string which is contained in the string buffer object is called length of the string. So here there are only 4 characters, so length is 4, but capacity is 16. So in this case, length is equal to 4 and capacity is equal to 16. We will learn more about the length and capacity of a string buffer class in the coming videos of this session. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.